Not all zoos are the same. Although there are thousands of places in the United States that exhibit animals, fewer than 220 have met the high standards set by the Association of Zoos and Aquariums, AZA. When you see the AZA logo, you know that the facility provides excellence in animal husbandry and healthcare, leadership in wildlife conservation programs, engaging educational programs for guests of all ages, a safe, fun place for guests to make lasting connections with the wonders of our natural world. Proud member of the AZA since 1999. All right, guys.
Another one.
We are back once again on another adventure. Hold on. Get me out. About to talk to you. All right. We are at the Western North Carolina Nature Center today. I brought the boys up here. Mom had to work, unfortunately, but we're gonna go and see what this place is all about. We've never been here, and looked it up online. We're excited to see what it is. So it's like the Asheville mini zoo-ish kind of thing. So yeah, we're gonna see how it is. So enjoy the video, guys. Subscribe, make sure you like, comment. It really helps the channel grow, and you know, we just appreciate every single one of you guys who help this channel grow. If you know somebody that likes all this stuff that we do, please share it with them so they can enjoy it as well. So here we go, guys.
Come off my waist.
Hmm?
I said, definitely off my waist.
It is. Here's the map. Don't feed the animals, don't cross fence barriers. Family package.
They have bobcats and kangaroos.
Family package for 1 year is $89. That's good. That's really good. Might have to do that. All right.
These have pandas.
Hello. How are you? One adult, 2 kids, please.
Charger doesn't have a thing where you can charge your...
What's up, guys? We at the Nature Center.
Yeah.
All right, let's go see what's here. That's the gift shop back here. And we're gonna go through here's the chickens. Chickens over here, I don't see them, they must be inside. There they are, they're inside. Oh, see? Angora goat must be somewhere else. There's a skunk. There's a skunk in here somewhere. There he is. He's sleeping right there. You see him up there? Back there in the corner. You see him?
I see that skunk.
He's sleeping back there. Oh, lazy skunk.
They do have a bathroom.
They got a bathroom? I don't know. Where? You saw one? Yeah, there you go. Over there, buddy. Hey, over there. Men's. There you go. It's a goat. Some goats. This is an Oberhausley goat. I don't know how to say that.
There you go.
Actually, that looks like a sheep. I think they're sheep and they're goats. Look at him up there eating.
That's a goat. Yeah.
That's a big old goat. You old goat. That's an Angora goat, the other one. Or a sheep, Cotswold sheep. Here's a Nigerian dwarf goat. They also have hand sanitizer all around here, so you guys can sanitize your nasty hands when you touch this stuff. If you choose to. Over there, come on. Yeah. Donkey might bite, it says. Keep your hands out of there.
Up here?
I don't know. Let's go up this way. I don't know which way to
I
go.
want to go this way.
Huh?
See if there's...
Let's go up this way. That just goes down to the here. It just goes down over to here.
Well,
I see it.
wanna go up there.
You want to go up there?
Yeah.
Whoa, then okay. Come on. We're going to go up the steps. We'll be back. What? We're coming. Snacks and drinks. Come on. Ooh, look at the fish over here and the otters. This is Otter Falls. Brandon's Otter Falls. Let's go see the otters and the fish. I seen some bass on the wall over here. There's a cool little bronze statue of the otter. Yeah, you want a picture? Come on down.
Yeah, that was fun. I want to go again.
Come on, bud.
Was it fun? Oh, got my shoes. Great fun on this.
Come over here and see. Here's the otter. Come on. Appalachian Station up here. The Black Bear Ridge is back down there. We're going to go back down to the Black Bear Ridge here in a second. Hold on a minute. There's so many different ways to go. I don't know which way to go. There's a sugar maple tree. All the maples and the red maples are turning colors already for the fall here in Western North Carolina. Here's Appalachian Station. Small Wonders of the Smokies. I don't know if we can go inside. It doesn't. Yeah, I guess we can. Come on. Ooh, cool. It's nice and warm in here. It's just a little nature center. There's some snakes. Look, corn snake. Corn snake in there. And see him in the log in there?
Yep.
Daddy used to have a few corn snakes. They were one of my favorite snakes. They're pretty nice snakes to have. I used to find them. This is an eastern rat snake, which is a black snake. He's up in the tree up there. There he is. You see a turtle over there? Is it a box turtle? It is a box turtle. Yeah, there he is, sleeping in there. That's nice. A white snake. That's an albino snake. That means that he doesn't have any pigment color in his skin. Look, here's a timber rattlesnake. This is what I tell you to watch out for when we're out walking in the woods. Let's see where he is. There he is up there in the tree. You see him over there? He's shedding. He's shedding. He's got half of his shed off already, and he's up there in the tree on the light because it's cool out now and he's trying to get warm. Okay, I'm going here. Alright, here's some more turtles. Yeah, painted turtles. Yeah.
I love turtles.
They're cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
Daddy had a lot of turtles growing up.
Like a baby one.
They can carry salmonella on their shells. It's not really good to play with them too much. Probably why Daddy got sick a lot when I was a kid.
You see that guy? You see that guy over
Well,
there?
here's a newt, a spotted newt. See him back there?
I see.
There's a little lizard in there.
Yeah.
Look, here's one right there. He's right there by
Yeah,
the glass. You see him? Very cool, huh? That's a red salamander. Do you see him in there?
I don't see
He'll
him
be
anywhere.
red.
I don't see him anywhere.
He's underneath something.
He can't hide forever.
Look over here real fast. All kinds of salamanders. Here's spring peepers, little frogs in there. There he is up on the log. See him up there? He's up on the log right there. You see him? Some marbled salamanders. Spotted salamander. A lot of times they'll be up underneath the stuff, staying moist.
I see him right there.
Gray tree frog, there he is. Yeah. Cool.
Who's this one?
It's American toad. He's a common frog, that's right there. American tree frog. Garter snake. Excuse me, guys. Look, it looks like they have morels growing in there.
Yeah,
But they're fake morels growing in there. There
I
he
see
is.
him.
You see him right there?
Yeah.
He's looking at you, isn't he?
Yeah.
That's a garter snake. They're pretty nice snakes too. They like to eat fish and frogs and worms.
Oh, what's this guy?
You see the mist coming in?
What's this guy?
That's because he needs a lot of humidity. This is a green snake. He likes the tropical, humid climates. That's why they have that humidity pumping in there for him.
It's hard to find him.
Yeah.
What?
No one is home today. Please check back. Okay, come on. All right, we're gonna go back out.
He's cute.
Here's the Hellbender exhibit, and he's a huge, giant Hellbender. It's the biggest one I've ever seen. I'm sure you guys can't see how big he is, but that's his butt and his tail and his back feet right there. And the rest of him is up underneath of that rock right there, so we can't see his head. But he is humongous, fat boy. Very cool aquarium, special made, has a rounded edge here, goes up underneath. You probably can see him up underneath here. Yeah, there he is, his belly and his front paw right there.
There you go.
It's pretty neat.
I see him.
Yeah? You see him? I've caught some of these on fishing line, and I see them quite regularly in the rivers in the springtime up here in western North Carolina. They are a sure sign of fresh, good, clean water and a healthy river system. They can't live in dirty water or not very well oxygenated water. So. What is this? Oh, this is otters too. They're sleeping.
But where are
Yeah,
they?
they're sleeping. There's Builder's Deck. There's a turtle amphitheater. I think these are little exhibits when a lot of things are going on here. Look at, there's a squirrel. Yeah, there's a turtle right there. You want to sit down and say hi to him? Ah. Go ahead. Be careful of the kids. Go ahead. You can balance and walk on that stuff. Climb on it. That's for you. Good job. Here comes the gray fox. Most likely he's probably sleeping too. Fox tend to be nocturnal creatures. There he is up there in the middle, up on that A-frame thing. See him laying there?
Yeah.
On the edge up there?
Yeah.
He's laying right up there on the platform.
Oh, yeah.
He's gray. Yeah, it's pretty cool. that's the thing about zoos and things, that you can't always see everything when they're not wanting to be seen. So it's just part of being around wild animals or live animals, and they ain't got much else to do.
You want to go down here, Dad? Go down here.
Oh, a red panda exhibit. It says more than 80% of the red panda's diet is bamboo, but they also eat small mammals, birds, and berries. Like the giant panda, they cannot digest the cellulose in bamboo shoots, so they must consume a large volume to survive. He's up there chilling up on the platform, asleep like everything else. We got a couple of them up there. How you doing, boy? Good. Up there on the platforms. It's beautiful. That is Lifa is the female and Phoenix is the male. That's their names. Lifa and Phoenix. Today is Sunday, October the 2nd, I believe. There's another, the Gray Natural History Museum highlights the many unique discoveries found in the Gray dig site, the Gray, Tennessee fossil site. That's pretty cool. Didn't know about that. A panda in the southern Appalachians. A fossilized skull of a new panda species was discovered at the Gray Fossil Site near Johnson City, Tennessee. The species, dubbed, I don't know how to say it, and Bristol's panda, lived about 6 million years ago in the southern Appalachians and is the ancestor of a red panda. So these red pandas here had an ancestor that lived here in this area 6 million years ago.
6 million years ago.
Yeah. The coyotes over here? Oh man, we got enough of them around here. Wild. Oh, there he is, laying there right there by the fence. He's right there, laying there by the fence. You see him? He's sleeping. What's he doing down there? I'm not gonna bother him. I wouldn't want to be woke up either. Pretty boring being stuck in a cage.
There's nothing to do.
Although I do love zoos and I love seeing animals and enjoy learning about animals and seeing the actual animal itself, there's just something behind captivity of wild animals to entertain ourselves. It's just not the greatest thing in the world to me. If they're injured or can't be let loose in the wild again, I understand. But to go capture a wild animal and just encage it in an area where it does not want to be is just wrong. And that's just something to keep their stuff in when they need it.
Yeah, that's the one.
Is that the one you were looking at down there? I think it is, yeah. This is the gray wolf. It says in the early 1900s, gray wolves inhabited 35 of the current 50 United States. Today they can be found wild in only 9. Yeah, here's the red wolf conservation here. The red wolf, he's got a really big area. He's got his pen up there, 2 holes up there. They're probably up there sleeping. You see them anywhere out there, buddy? That's a pretty waterfall that they built for them, isn't it? Very nice. I like this little zoo. We're gonna have to bring Molly back up. Huh?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get a Maybe we'll get a family pass so we can come up here anytime we want to, not have to pay. Yeah? We can come up different times of the year, and then the animals will be, you know, more awake some different times when we come up. Maybe we come up in the mornings or another day when it's warmer, maybe. Yeah, this place is open, I think it said 361 days a year. So it's open just about every day. Oh, there's one got out. Look, he's right there. Go pet him. Did you think it was one? No, you didn't. Slow down now, don't go too fast, okay? Careful. In a spider web? Gotta be careful. He's laying there like Spider-Man in a spider web. Look at him. Wow, that thing's a naughty up contraption there, boy. It's just a bunch of ropes. Pretty cool, actually. Look at this one. This big one over here. Spider-Man Park, I guess. And there's a big old web over here too, coming into it. Pretty neat. Got the bathrooms over here, right here at the park, which is an awesome spot for them. Got the big old elk, the elk skull mount. Tons of spider webs up in there. Here's the cougar exhibit, or a puma. Goes through their life cycle right here. And the cougar is right over here. Yeah, it is a cat, buddy. It's a mountain lion. It's in there in the box. I'll try to zoom in on him. Maybe you can see him, maybe you can't. Everything's pretty lazy today. We got overcast skies. Hurricane Ian just came through. It really didn't do much to this area. Here's the whole cougar exhibit there, and the cougar is back up there in the box. I'm sure it can climb up those poles as well. That's why they have the netting all the way across the top, so it can't get out. Very nice little zoo here, up here in Asheville, North Carolina. It's nestled in the hills of the surrounding forests here. And there's the bobcat up there in the tree. You see it? No, you can't go in there. You let him out. You don't want to let him out, do you? Here's a little video, a lot of videos here, and they do have some like teachings and classes and exhibitions that go on here a couple times daily, I believe. I'm not sure if they do them on Sundays like today, but there's quite a bit that goes on here, although it's not a huge place and not a really big zoo. It is well put together. It's clean. It's not overly crowded at all, and it's a pretty good little place. Come on, hop down from there, please. Thank you. And the bobcat exhibit. And I'll give you one guess where it's at. It's asleep up on the platform. Just like everything else.
It looks exactly like a pet.
It
like
does.
Like
yeah,
a
they're cute there. He's over there on the sleeping like everything else is. He's up in the tree. Come on, you. We are up, elevated, up here on a little walking platform deck. It's really built well. Very sturdy. Very nice place. Definitely recommend it if you're up here in Western North Carolina, Asheville area. Come out and check the Western North Carolina Nature Center out. It's a Lucas, no running, buddy. Come on, you're gonna fall and hurt yourself.
Flashlights on their phones.
We're just leaving the Appalachian Cats exhibit, which was the cougar and the bobcat.
Come on, then. Which way are you going? That way or that way?
We're gonna go over here real fast.
Over here.
Yeah, I see a big old turtle over there you can climb on, I think. You see it? You see him? Be careful, don't fall. Boy, that's the biggest box turtle I've ever seen. You can ride it like a bull. Little turkey vultures. Difference between a turkey vulture and a black vulture. We have both of them here in North Carolina. The black vultures have a solid black head. Turkey vultures have the red head. Black vultures are a little smaller than the turkey vultures. And there's a turkey vulture right there. Building for our future. This is the plan of the Western North Carolina Nature Center. Everything that has been completed already and the projected new things to come. The new bears, they're awake. They're awake. What's up, guys?
What's up, Leah?
Hi. There's one over there walking around. What's up? How are you? He's looking at me like, dude, just leave me the hell alone. Just keep walking. I'm not sure about the animals in this place, if they are rescue animals or injured animals in some way. Usually places like this shelter injured animals or other animals that can't be released into the wild. I'm not totally sure about this place, but there is a lot of bear sanctuaries up here in this part of the country. We have a lot of black bears here and a lot of area that protects them. I see some deer over there in the field laying down. Here he is over here, American black bear. Here he is. I would say he's probably 350 pounds, I guess. He's over at the gate. He's wanting food is what he wants. He's getting hungry. Now look, he's walking the trail.
Yeah, walking the trail.
He's
walking the trail.
There's some deer over here. Look at the deer, look. Over here, Lucas, look. You see the deer laying in the field out there? They got some little antlers he does. Some white-tailed deer, and here's the bears. There's the other one over by the tree. What's up, buddies? Looks like that's got something goody over there. She's gnawing on. The whole exhibit here is at least probably 20 feet off the ground. On that side with the fence, it's probably about 8 feet off the ground. Definitely hungry. He's looking for stuff to eat. He's drinking. Thirsty. Thirsty bear. What you doing down there, guy? What you doing down there? Hey. Hi there. Yeah. Did you get it back on?
No.
No. All right. Some white-tailed deer down there, and these are, as the sign says, movie star deer. It says Becca, a female white-tailed deer, played an important role in the Oscar-winning movie 3 Billboards Outside Ebbing, Missouri, Fox Searchlight in 2017. She was trained by Nature Staff Center to stand in front of a blue screen at the left, and then footage was edited into the final production, the right, with co-star Frances McDormand. It's pretty cool. So we got a famous deer down there. Too bad we can't get his autograph, huh? You think he'd give an autograph if he was up here? No. Oh. I think that does it for the Western North Carolina Nature Center. I'm sure there's probably a couple of things.
Walk down there and say the bear.
No, that's for staff only. So I'm sure there's some things that we didn't see. Yeah, they're up and around. It's about the only thing up and around. No, we're not going over that. Back around to the North Carolina Farm Yard exhibit. This is where we first come in at. So I don't think we even went up those steps. Where are you at? Knock knock. Oh, it's a red fox. You can't. Bear can't talk right now. You busy? Okay. What are you guys doing in there? Okay. Oh man, hello. Bear? Hi, Bear.
Hello.
Oh, you got fox and a bear and a cougar.
Let's make a song.
The bobcat.
Let's make a song.
It looks like Austin's back there.
Let's make a song. You're supposed to put it under. You're supposed to put it under the sheet.
There you go. There you go. All right.
What do you want to make, bro? What do you want to make? Now there's a great horned owl up there, and we have a red-tailed hawk, and there's a barn owl over there. Look, stand in front of the red-tailed hawk here and hold your arms out. Look, man, he's got wings longer than your arms stretch out. Just a little bit bigger. That's how big a red-tailed hawk's wings are. It's as big as you are. My goodness gracious. There he is. That's the red-tailed hawk. And he is right up there. There he is. Ooh, watch out for the acorns falling. And what do we have over here? Oh, we have the turkey vulture. We was up there up top. He's up there. Right there he is. There's the turkey vulture. Oh, please stop running. This is the birds of prey. There's the bear down here. Hi, Mr. Bear. This is the birds of prey exhibit here. Look, its wings are bigger than his arms. That's crazy, isn't it? It's a big thing. Here's the great horned owl. And there he is right there. And we got the barn owl, which is one of my favorite owls. I think they're just beautiful, and the way that they look in their face is just really neat. And yeah, we look up through the mountain laurels here, and we'll zoom in on the barn owl. There he is. He's sleeping. These owls are nocturnal creatures, so they come out at night to feed, and they kind of sleep in the daytime in little hollow trees and things of such. Pretty cool. Yeah? Yeah? Come on! Come up through the little trail here. Go back up to the top. Alright guys. Appreciate you watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the Western North Carolina Nature Center. We just came up here for a couple hours just to waste some time and check it out. We're going to come back up another day when we can spend a little bit longer time, when Mom's with us, and we're thinking about even just getting a family membership to be able to come up whenever we want to. Free admission on the family membership. I think it's like $89 for the family membership. Which ain't bad at all to be able to come up here year-round. This place is open 361 days a year. They're closed a few days, but other than that, they're open no matter what the weather is, unless it's like a tragic weather or something. But open all the time. They have all kinds of different exhibits coming through throughout the year, different educational programs, other things, and special things that you can do with the membership as well. So we're probably going to go ahead and do that. It's not too far away from the house. It's about 25-30 minutes away. So it's up here in Asheville, North Carolina. If you're up this way, Western North Carolina, looking for something to do with the kids, this is a great thing to do. You can check out the bear back here behind me, the black bear. There's another one over there. And we'll see you next time, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. We'll see you soon.